Hi,
Hi.
I'm a baby.
What do you think I am, a loaf of bread?
You could be, what do I know? I'm just born, I'm a baby. I don't know if I'm under a tree or in a hospital or what. I'm just so glad to be here.
I'm a baby too.
Well, have it your own way. I don't want to fight about it.
Why, are you scared?
Yes, I am. I'm a little scared. I'll tell you why. I don't know if I'm a boy or a girl.
What's that got to do with it?
Well, if I'm a girl and you're a boy, you could beat me up. You think I want to lose a tooth my first day alive?
What's a tooth?
Search me. I'm just born. I'm a baby. I don't know nothing yet.
Do you think you're a girl?
I don't know. I might be. I think I am. I've never been anything before. Let's look around. Cute feet, small, dainty. Yep. I'm a girl. That's it. Girl time.
So what do you think I am?
You? That's easy. You're a boy.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. I've been alive already 4 or 5 minutes. I haven't been wrong yet.
Gee, I don't feel like a boy.
That's because you can't see yourself.
Why? What do I look like?
Bald. You're bald, fella. Bald. You're bald as a ping pong ball. You are bald.
So?
So, boys are bald, girls have hair.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. Who's bald, your mother or your father?
My father.
I rest my case.
But you're bald too.
You're kidding.
No, I'm not.
Don't look.
Why?
A bald girl. Yuck. Disgusting.
Maybe you're a boy and I'm a girl.
There you go again. I told you I'm a girl. I know it. I'm a girl and you're a boy.
I think you're wrong.
I'm never wrong. What about shaving?
What about it?
You just shaved, right?
Wrong.
Exactly. And you know why? Because everyone's born with a clean shave. Girls keep their shave. Boys don't.
So what does that prove?
Tomorrow morning, the one who needs a shave, he's a boy.
I can't wait till tomorrow morning.
See, that proves it. You're patient. Boys are impatient. Girls are patient.
What else?
Can you keep a secret?
Absolutely.
There you go. Boys keep secrets. Girls don't.
Go on.
Are you afraid of mice?
Nope.
I am. I'm terrified. I hate them. Squeak, squeak, squeak. What do you want to be when you grow up?
A rabbi.
What'd I tell you?
What about you?
A cocktail waitress. Does that prove anything to you?
You must be right.
I told you I'm always right. You're the boy and I'm the girl.
I guess so. Wait, here comes the nurse to change our diapers.
About time. I have never been so uncomfortable in my life.
Hey, look at that.
What?
You see that? I'm a girl and you're a boy.
Hey, it sure looks like that.
What do you think of that?
I just can't understand it.
Well, it sure goes to show you.
What?
You can't judge a book by its cover.
What's that mean?
How should I know? I'm only a baby.
So am I. Goo.
Goo.